Hello, my name is Amaya, and I'm thrilled to be here today to introduce you to an innovative solution that will revolutionize the way we experience motorcycle riding. This is my rideshare app concept presentation for Design 340 for Portland State University. So, what is it? Imagine a world where you can seamlessly connect with fellow riders, share routes with friends and family for added safety, and even seek assistance during emergencies, all at your fingertips. Today, I present to you Rideshare, the social motorcycle riding app that is set to redefine the riding experience as we know it. Rideshare is not just another GPS application, it is a comprehensive platform designed for rider safety at its utmost priority. With features like instant rider introductions, route sharing for enhanced connectivity, and an emergency mode to broadcast your exact location, Rideshare is taking rider safety to an unprecedented level. Rideshare caters to the needs of social motorcycle scooters and recreational vehicle riders who are seeking connections with fellow riders. Rideshare was thoughtfully designed with the rider in mind, considering its usage during rides. To facilitate easy navigation, a user-friendly format was incorporated featuring prominent buttons and color-coded options in each page. This intuitive design enables riders to make quick decisions without distraction. And again, Rideshare's key features are the instant sharing of contact information to nearby individuals, broadcasting your precise location for emergency situations, and GPS functionality with options to share your routes with others. Rideshare is designed to seamlessly integrate with your riding experience, acting as an additional panel or gauge. Its purpose is to provide quick assistance and support without distracting you from the road ahead. This app is a perfect solution for when you spot someone interesting passing by. Instead of awkwardly flagging down a stranger, Rideshare allows you to seamlessly connect. After their ride, the rider receives your contact information, making it easier to establish a connection. And again, Rideshare is the ultimate social motorcycle riding app that prioritizes riders' safety on a level unmatched by other GPS applications. Experience a new dimension of riding security by downloading the Rideshare app from your local app store, coming soon to enhance your riding experience in the far future. Not right now. This is just a concept. So the way you would use the app, you would come on here. It has a login page. You can either log in or you could sign up. Sign up takes you to the sign up page. Sign up here and it's confirmed. And here's the main page here. There's a couple options. The one up here will take you back to the beginning to log out. Let's get back in. The top one, share info. Imagine you're riding. There's a cool motorcycle passing by. Oh, I want to ride with this guy later. Let me share my contact information. This is it right here. And boom, I'm now broadcasting my information to any rider nearby. Anybody that has the app will receive this. And after the ride, safely be able to either accept or reject my friendship. The emergency mode can be activated very simply by pressing the yellow button, and it starts sharing your live location in 2 clicks. If you need to send a message, there's a messaging option at the bottom. So you can tell your loved one your tire's flat and they can ask you why you did it. The other 2 options are the shared destination and the GPS. So we click the GPS, it pulls up a map, and you can choose your favorite or recent ones. We actually want to go to work, so let's press work. Goes from my location to Portland. Everything's color coded. Yellow kind of gives you caution. Red is going to stop it, and green is for go. So while you're riding, you're looking at the color code to know this is going to take me a while. This is going to end it. This is going to make me go to the next page. Just like a stop light is red, caution is yellow, go is green. So here's our, so we press go, start our ride. We have an option here to share information. Our contact list show up. I want to send this to my mom. And it's done. The route shared successfully. Enjoy your ride and be safe. And to get out of here, we just end the route. Brings you back on here. And this is my rideshare concept app. Thank you.